Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to see about how load balancer works in AWS. So what is load balancer in AWS? Basically what happens when there will be lot of traffic on your website. So Elastic Load Balancer distributes the traffic into multiple targets. So what happens, suppose if you have a website and on that website the huge amount of traffic is coming. So what EBS do is that nothing but elastic load balancing. What it do is it distributes your incoming traffic to multiple targets. Okay, so by saying this you might not be able to capture it how it works. So let me show you the example how actually it works. Okay, so I'm going to easy to instance. I'm creating basically two instances to just show the example of load balancing, how load balancing works. Okay, so going to instance. So here we just have to click launch instances. Okay, so then choose free trial and select the Amazon Linux 2 machine. Select okay. Now okay, so this should be free trial itself. I'm going to with free trial, so just click the next button. Okay, here number of instances, so I'm just taking 2 instances to just show the example of ELB, how ELB works. So next, here root next. So if you want to add tag you can add, but as of now it's not required. So just here you must have to add the rules of HTTP, and let me add one more HTTPS. Okay, and change the custom to anywhere. Okay, review and launch, then click launch. Okay, so it's asking choose any existing key pair or no key pair, if you want to create new key pair you can create a new pair, give the name. I'm giving ELB example. So download the key pair. Okay, so after that let me launch the instance. Okay, so your instance is launching, so close view instance from here. 2 instances in pending state right now because it will take few seconds to show the state over here. Okay, till now we'll just convert our key to to just connect with putty. Okay, let me open putty. So putty will be helping us to write the query over there, and putty gen will be allowing us to create the key pairs. So let me create the conversion input keys. Okay, so and okay, so here what I have saved it as ELB PIM. Okay, now open it. So just save the private key. Okay, yes. Okay, ELB example. This will convert PM file to PPK file. Just save it. Okay, now the work is done. Just close the putty key. Okay, putty gen. Now we'll be needing this. So what we'll do, just see, now you can see the instance is running over here. Just click the first instance ID, copy the public IPv4 DNS. Okay, open the putty, paste it over here. You can paste IP address or host name also. Just click SSH, click the auth and browse from here. You will be able to see ELB PPK. Just open. So click open here, and then it will ask the permissions. of accept. So it's asking for login as. So I'll be having default login will be like EC2 user user, just hit. So the very first work we have to do is we will just come into the user from user mode to root mode. Okay, so for that command you have to run sudo. So this will help you to come into the root mode from the user mode. So right now you can see over here it's root written over here, so it means that you are under the root. So we'll go directly to the home directory. Okay, so we are on the home. If I'll say list of files, you can see these are the files which are present in the home directory. So now what you have to do is now you have to launch a static website. If you wanna for that we have to search for, either you have to search for the index.html file in. Before that, let me show you. First you have to install Apache server over here. So for that you can run the command yum install httpd. Okay, so it's installing. It's asking for if you yes or no. Okay, it's asking for the size, and the total size is 1.9 MB. It's like that. Just put yes and y and enter. It will get installed. So right now HTTP server, which means Apache, is installed in your EC2 machine. Okay, so now you can see the list over here, and we have to find index.html file inside the Apache server. We have already installed the Apache over here. So now we have to find how to find. So let me go step by step. I'll not change directly. I'll go step by step. cd, change the directory to user. You can see USR is here. Enter. You can see ls. Now you will be having so many options. In that options you have to go to share, cd, share. Okay, again I'll show you ls. So these are the so many things over here. You have to go where httpd. It's nothing but a Apache folder. cd, similarly httpd, change. Now again ls. I'm going step by step to just show, otherwise I would have done cd space usr slash share slash httpd slash no index. Okay, so again you have to go to no index file. Similarly, just go to no index file. Okay, you are into it, and now if you'll say ls. Okay, no search file or directory. Okay, I missed the spelling. cd no index, enter. Now you are into it. ls, you will be having index.html file. Now how to edit the index.html file? You can use vi command for that. Index.html. Okay, just hit the enter. So here is your code of index.html. You cannot enter anything into it. So for that purpose, first you click the I button once. Down you will see the reaction over here when I press the I button. Okay, now it has come into insert mode. Wherever I want to change, I can change over here. So before that, I'll launch the website and I'll show you how actually the website is looking like right now. It won't work right now because the server is we have not started the server. I guess it won't work right now. Yes, it's not working, but okay, let me change and then see. In another system I'll do previously and then I'll show. Okay, so let me change. Here is test page. It's showing test page for ELB part 1. Now to save the things, just click the ESC button from your keyboard. Okay, and then click :WQ and come out. You are out. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to restart the HTTP server. Okay, so for that purpose, write sudo systemctl restart httpd. It has restarted. Right now it may work. Yeah, you can see test page for ELB part 1. So this is the way you can launch the static page over the using EC2 instance. So this is one example. This also you can take as a one separate part from ELB, how to host a static page over the using EC2 instance over the website. Okay, So this is one way. Okay, now this work is done from one side. Let me go with another instance. This is the first instance. Now I'll go for second instance. I'll do the same thing, just copy. I'll open putty over here. Okay, just paste it, SSH auth browse, and then ELB ppk file, open. So just click open, it will open. Yeah, so now similarly EC2 user. So the very first work what you have to do, we have to come into the root mode to just install HTTP server. Okay, so sudo su, it will come into root mode. Now first step we'll install the Apache server. Yum install httpd. Okay, again it will load and ask okay why. Yes, it will get installed. Now I'll show you first launch the website and then I'll show how it works. Okay, for that purpose I'll restart the Apache server. Sudo system critical restart httpd. Just now I'll be able to launch the website. Just remove this s. Yeah, you can say test see test page. Okay, let me show you how it get changes. Okay, so again I'll go step by step, go to root mode directly. Okay, now ls, you can see use a usr over here, cd sir, again ls, you can see the same things. You have to do the same thing what you have done for first machine. Okay, share again ls, you will be having so much options. You have to go inside the httpd folder, cd for Apache. Now ls, no index, just enter ls, you will be having index.file using vi command, index.html. you can edit. Now I cannot enter, right? So for that purpose I have to click I button. So I am inside the insert mode. So I'll just change, I'll just show you here. Test page is written. I'll just change to test page. Let me see what I have written for ELB part 1. I'll write ELB part 2. Test page, I can see over here, test page for ELB part 2. Okay, so just click ESC button :WQ, enter. So you are outside right now, and then if you wanna, you can just restart the Apache server. Okay, so now you can see the effect here. Yeah, now you can see the effect of both EC2 machine. Okay, so right now putty work is done. I can close the putty work. Okay, let it be. Okay, now what I have to do is, we have seen how to launch static website or how to edit the static website inside the Apache server. Okay, so using this only you can create your own file and you can host over here. Okay, so now what you have to do, we have to go for load balancer. Click the load balancer in the option. Just wait, it's loading. Okay, you don't have any load balancer in this region, so we have to create first load balancer. Click to the load balancer. We have to choose the application loader balance because we have taken the rules of HTTP and HTTPS. So as of now, no network and gateway load balancer. Okay, just click here. Now just give the name as whatever you like. Test page I'll give. Okay, so go down, no need to change, keep it default. So load balancer, this things listener will be HTTP itself. Okay, let it be. And here at least you have to select at least 2. Okay, because this is the availability zones, you have to select at least 2 for load balancer. Okay, so just go down, no need to change anything, just next. Okay, so you have to select the security group also. Okay, so just let me select this because I have already. Okay, next. Again we have to give the names, target group. Here we have to provide the names, test page ELB. Okay, so nothing, don't have to do anything over here, just next. Okay, now this is the instance of what it is running over this two. We have created two EC2 instance, right? So this is the same EC2 instance. It is written over here instance. So this is EC2 instance 1, EC2 instance 2, whatever we have created, and we have hosted the site over here. Okay, so what we have to do, we just select the both and add to registered, so it will be running over here. Just click next, and this is the review part. You can select whatever the options you have seen over here. Okay, just click create. So successfully created load balancer. Close. You can see the state provisioning. Let me wait 1 or 2 minutes. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to show the state. Okay, active. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds. Sometimes what happens, the state will be provisioning, and if you are continuously waiting and the page is not refreshing automatically, so it will be on this state itself. So you will be having this refresh icon over here. You can just click sometime whenever you want. Okay, just to see whether it is active or not. So it's provisioning itself right now also. Let me refresh it again. So now you can see the active state. Before it was provisioning. Right now I will refresh it and you can see the active state. So now what you have to do is, you can see over your DNS name, just copy this URL. Okay, just open the browser, paste it over here. You might not be able to see anything, I guess, right now. Yeah, you can see over here. So you can see test page for ELB part 1. Let me refresh it again. Part 2, part 1, part 2. What happens if there will be so much of load? Sometime this ELB will distribute some of your visitors to part 1, this website, or sometime that website. So this is helpful when there will be so much of traffic on your website. Okay, so this is all about ELB. So you can see you have one URL, and from one URL you can access even this website and this website. Okay, this is the ELB part. This is easy to one. I can close over here, and this also I can close. Okay, now just refresh part 1, part 2, part 1, part 1, part 2. So this is all about ELB, how ELB works. I have given you the live example. First we have created two instances. We have launched a static page over the EC2 instance. Both the instance we have just did minor change to just show the example. You can do whatever you want in this page. And similarly for a second instance we have done the same thing. And what we have done, we have created the load balancer, and in that load balancer we have just added both the EC2 instance over here, and we had handover to load balancer, and the load balancer will take care about both the instance. So when there will be if there is so much traffic on your website, so what it will do, the load balancer will try to like manage your traffics onto both sides. Okay, so this is all about ELB. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, if you love this video, just give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share if you love this video. Thank you so much guys.